How to actually make money on Redbubble. Hey guys, what's up? Hope everybody is good. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can start making money online with Redbubble. I'll be showing you step by step how to do this. In case you don't know, Redbubble is one of the top print-on-demand websites around. So basically all you'll have to do is upload your design and decide whether you want it to be on a pillow, a kerchief, anything, and they will simply deal with it. Once a person taps on your Redbubble page and puts in an order, they will deal with the printing, the delivery, and everything like that, and all you'll do is simply collect your cut. It's as simple as that. So as you can see right here, I'm currently on redbubble.com, and one of the niches that I think would be a good one at the moment, as you can see right here, I did a quick Google search, and based on the time of this video being released, it is close to Independence Day. So I would recommend that you try the Independence Day niche. And I did a quick search on Redbubble, and you can see these are some of the designs that they recommended. These are some of the top designs that are currently being sold for Independence Day. As you can see, nothing too special. I'll be showing you how to sign up on Redbubble. You'll simply go onto Redbubble and you'll tap right where you see my profile link right here, and you will tap on sign up. Once you're signed up, you will be logged into a dashboard just like this, and you can simply tap on add new work. Now you're wondering, I'm not an artist, so how am I going to find a design to upload to Redbubble? And even if I upload a design to Redbubble, where am I going to get the traffic? Well, I'll be showing you how to do both of those things completely free, quick, and easy. After you have signed into Redbubble, just like this right here, you're going to go onto pixels.com. And once on pixels.com, you'll simply do a search of the niche that you're planning to go in. For this example, I was using the funny dogs, and I liked this picture right here. So you'll simply tap on the picture that you like, and once you have selected, you'll tap on free download. After you have downloaded the photo, unless you want to keep the background, I would recommend that you go onto this website right here, remove.bg, as it's a free background remover. So I'll simply remove the background of the photo, then tap on download. Once you have done that, you would go back into your dashboard on Redbubble and you would upload your new design. Then you will decide whether you want that design to be on cups, on hoodies, or whatsoever. You can add them on everything. Then you would also decide your markup. And if we were to go onto how to on Redbubble right here, you can see step by step. I will be leaving a link to this on the best way how to set up your markup and how much you'll be able to make on Redbubble. I won't go in details into this, but you will be able to decide how much you make on Redbubble. Again, I'll be leaving a link on how to find this page so you can know the best way to set up your margin. After you have uploaded your design and you have set up your Redbubble page, now it's time to start getting traffic. And to get traffic, the best page that I would recommend to get free traffic is definitely YouTube. And if I should go on YouTube again and type in funny dogs, as you can see right here, these videos, 4 days ago this video was released and it has gotten over 837,000 views. So you know that the pet niche is definitely one of the most popular niches when it comes on to YouTube. And there are numerous other niches that get this amount of views or even more. You're wondering, how am I going to create a video on this? What I'm going to recommend you do is you go into YouTube Shorts. So you're simply going to grab one of these videos right here. You'll tap on any one of the videos that you find interesting. For example, this one right here. Once you have found the video, you're going to tap on share. and you're going to copy the link right here. After copying the link, you're going to go onto saveform.net, and you can search for any YouTube video downloader, and you're going to paste the video link right here, then tap on download. Once you have downloaded the video, the next thing you're going to do is go onto this free website, canva.com. Once on canva.com, you will simply tap on video, and you're going to select TikTok video, as I recommend this dimension because it works best with YouTube shorts. So once you have selected TikTok video, you'll be led to this page right here, on which you'll simply drag the line along and select, I recommend between 15 to 10 seconds long. So you'll select the video clip, as you can see that I've done right here, and you'll add link in description above the text, above the video and below the video, as you can see right here if I should play it. So pet lovers are going to find your YouTube shorts, and as you may know, YouTube shorts are one of the most popular things right now. So they'll find your YouTube shorts, play the video, see the link in description above the video. Once they tap on the link, they'll be directed to your Redbubble profile. On your Redbubble profile now, hopefully they will go onto that and see a product that they like and do a purchase. That's basically it. So you'll be creating your page on Redbubble, finding the design on pixels.com, which is a royalty-free website. From there, you will upload the design onto Redbubble. Then you will go into YouTube and you will create a YouTube shorts without using your voice or recording a video, nothing like that. And you will simply add your Redbubble link in the YouTube description section, and you can also add it in the comments. Once a person taps on that link, they will be directed to your Redbubble page on which they can do a purchase. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and that it was able to motivate you to try and start to make money online. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.